Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the tab bar in the Facebook app on your phone. This is a super helpful feature that allows you to control which sections of Facebook you see on the bottom of your screen. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then go to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then tap on Icon Settings at top right. Next, scroll down to Section Tab Bar and tap it. Next, tap on Customize the bar. Here, you'll see a list of all the tabs available on the bottom of your Facebook app, like Marketplace, Groups, Watch, and more. Now, you can customize each tab in one of three ways. You can pin it, Auto for automatic adjustments, or hide it entirely. Let me show you how each one works. If you want to keep a tab permanently on the bottom bar, just tap on Pin. This will make sure the tab always stays there. If you prefer Facebook to decide based on your usage, tap on Auto. This will let the app automatically adjust which tabs show up depending on what you use most. And if there's a tab you rarely use or want to remove, simply tap on Hide. This will remove it from your tab bar. Once you've made your changes, you're all set. The tab bar will update immediately to reflect the changes you made. You've successfully customized your Facebook tab bar. Now, you can make sure that the tabs you care about most are always at your fingertips. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful or if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.